What's up everyone, my name is RJ and welcome to the new blog. But anyways, I just wanted to say, keep your receipts because this can happen to you. And so I'm back. I'm in a vehicle right now. I'm in my grandparents' 1990 GMC Vandura 2500. My uncle replaced the shocks in this in February of 91 and he said, oh, they have lifetime warranty. And I was like, oh, okay. Well, I went to look under the vehicle like about 5 days ago and I noticed that the shocks were kind of blown. So I was like, you know what, let's see if they'll warranty it. And I found a receipt from February 91, where these shocks actually cost about like $32 a piece. They've gone up in price, but they actually warranted it and it looks like I'll be replacing them soon. So see you guys in another second. Okay, so I just left the auto parts store, but have the new shocks right down there. They're letting me do the exchange. So I gotta pull the ones off of the vehicle, switch these on, bring it all back, and it's all gonna be good. If you're wondering why I'm bundled up right now, because it's kind of freezing out here in Northern California. It's currently January 7th and this is the van in question. It's a 1990 GMC Vandura 2500. But yeah, time to go undo the shocks. So these are the shocks I pulled off of the van. Yeah, these are original 1991 gas magnums. This is what I'm switching them over to. They are the current generation of Monroe gas magnums. Brand new shocks. It looks like they switched from silver to yellow for the fronts and from silver to black for the rears. And I guess I'll be putting these on shortly. Okay, so I got the shocks in. Old ones out, new ones are in. So you can tell right here, this one doesn't want to extend from its compressed position, so that's definitely blown. And I've compressed both of these, and one extends very slow compared to the other. But anyways, let's go check out what we have under the van. So you can tell right there, we got the new shock in the front and the new shock in the back. So they're both in. Took a little longer than I wanted it to, but that's how all things are when you're doing stuff in the car world. But yeah, that's it. They're installed and I'm gonna go be back in a sec. Funny fact, today is January 7th and I've been to this O'Reilly's right here The past 7 days. So I've been here the entire decade.